G'day everybody, it's Will Nicholas here again, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit today about some programs that might be able to help you if during this time of COVID-19 you feel that some of your youth and children's ministry stuff has kind of ground to a halt a little bit. Do your kids play Minecraft? Are they interested in tabletop games? Have your youth group activities ground to a halt? Well, I may be able to help you out today by talking you through how you can use Discord as a voice over internet protocol to be able to create rooms and spaces where people can talk and break out, where you can run small group discussions, Bible study groups, play games, and all kinds of things. If you're interested in checking this out tomorrow between 10 and 12, I will be running a session on Discord in Mission, and you can find that by going to the St David's Newtown Uniting St David's Facebook page and clicking on the event to go there as well. Keep your eyes out in various parts around the place in Facebook groups. I'll be advertising future events working with Discord in particular. Now, it's quite possible that you don't even know what I'm talking about when I talk about Minecraft, but I'm pretty sure that the kids in your life will have an idea of that. So I'm just going to give you a bit of a brief look at Minecraft right now, and this is the Minecraft world. It's a first-person world, and you're walking around and you have the opportunity to interact with things. You can chop down trees and collect wood, and so I'm collecting wood and trees. You can build things, you can dig holes in the ground and make spaces. There are landscapes and trees, there is water, and so basically this is a what they call a sandbox game, where you have the opportunity, just like in the sandpit, to go around and pick flowers, interact with the day and the night, and also create safe spaces for you to live. As you can hear, there is a zombie around here somewhere, and it has got to be nighttime, so I need to find some form of shelter. Just over here there are animals, and there's an example of one of those animals. This is a fox, and I'm just chasing the fox now. So there's all kinds of things that you can actually do in Minecraft, and I'd encourage you to find yourself somebody who knows a little bit about Minecraft. One of the cool things is that there are often caves to explore and places to go, and you can see down there in that cave that there is some lava and other bits and pieces. Let me just move out of that mode back to my middle mode again, and get off that. So that's a bit about Minecraft. Now, the other one you may not have heard very much about is Tabletop Simulator, and I'll just show you Tabletop Simulator now. Tabletop Simulator allows you to create spaces. It's a program you can purchase through Steam, and if you want to know more about that, then just ask me. I can show you how to access it. But Tabletop Simulator allows you to create a multiplayer space, and it can then be set as a public or an invite-only space. So I'm going to set mine as an invite-only space. If you set as a public space, you have to set up a password, and that way only the people who know your password can get in, so it's quite secure. And you can create your own server name just by typing in stuff there. So test server is what I'm putting in there, and I might make the password here. Let's see, the password will be Bob. All right, there you go. Maximum players, I can set how many players I want in the room, and then I create the server. Once the server's created, there are a whole range of classic games that you can play, as you can see. Chinese checkers, solitaire, chess. The chess setup is actually quite impressive, and you can zoom around and you use your mouse to pick up pieces and have a game of chess. And whoops, grabbed them both. There are no rules to this game, so basically you can do whatever you like. You can even throw pieces around if you want to, and make them go. The physics is pretty impressive. So you need to know the rules of the game to be able to play them, unlike other computer games that will automate a lot of stuff for you. But it basically creates for you a simulated tabletop where you can do things. Now, in the workshop area, a whole bunch of people have done some really good work on setting up some free games so that you can actually have a good look through and find out what you want to play. One of my personal favorite games is a game called Splendor. I don't know if any of you have ever played Splendor before, but I love Splendor. It's a nice, neat little game where you're actually able to play with your cards and collect gems. And so you've got these little collections here. Over here there are rules for the game, so you can actually have a look and learn to play a game you haven't played before and check the rules out. And there's a nice little interface where you can flip cards over and turn them around and put them wherever you want. You can even pick up a whole deck of cards and give it a good shuffle and put it back down again. So Tabletop Simulator I could spend a whole day talking about as well, but I just wanted to give you a brief insight into these two programs because it provides a platform or an opportunity for you to be able to engage with your group or your friends or your family without actually having to breach any COVID restrictions. You can still create liminal spaces where those kind of conversations that happen, off the cuff while you're doing something else can still be had. And I hear that there's quite a lot of fatigue about the intentionality of gathering for meetings and other activities in Zoom. But this gives you another opportunity to be able to make use of the technologies we have to do something in that screen space that perhaps isn't so much about intentional task oriented, but more leisure and community oriented stuff. So to make all of this work as a community, what you need to be able to access a program called Discord. Now, this is my Discord server here behind us, and I've set up a little server here called Playtest. Now, in Playtest, you can actually create your own channels. It comes with a standard text channel, and in the text channel, you can actually type and say, "Hi there," and it comes up, and people can actually interact with each other and look at that channel. Now, as well as that, there are the voice channels. The voice channels allow groups of people to get together. Now, you can create a channel as simply as clicking on the plus symbol in that area and then selecting a voice channel and saying, we're going to call this one Minecraft. Oops, got to spell it correctly. Minecraft. And create the channel, and you can now see in my channel list I've got a general channel and a Minecraft channel. So all people playing Minecraft together, they can be in there talking to each other over their microphones and see each other. You can also stream your activity. So if I were to stream Tabletop Simulator, which I'm about to do, and put that into the Minecraft channel, I go live into that channel, and that allows me to stream whatever is happening in my Tabletop Simulator so everyone can see it. This is really the tip of the iceberg for what kinds of things we can do. And I guess one of the things that I want to get us to think about is how we might be able to continue to have communities, maybe even messy church experiences where the Minecraft server is used to create biblical stories or narratives, and really give us an opportunity to be able to create common space where we can hang out together and learn more about each other and really just hang. That's one of the things I know I've been really missing during this COVID times is liminal spaces where I can just hang out with people and talk to them about whatever. I might be doing something else. We might be doing something together. We might just be sitting in that general chat space, just having a chat. If you're concerned about safe place stuff in terms of working with children and that kind of stuff, the internet certainly does create its own levels of complexities around that, but no more so than any other space. And it's just about navigating those. And there are resources available. Some great work's been done by the Sonder Collective to create some child-safe stuff there for how we might be able to manage these spaces. And I'll do maybe some future videos in conjunction with some of those excellent, amazing Sonder Collective people who have done so much work in this area. Look, that's probably all I need to say today. If you have suddenly learnt the words Discord, Minecraft, and Tabletop Simulator today, then look, that's great. You've taken a glimpse into a new world. If you want to take that further, then please like and subscribe to my channel, Never Odd or Even. You'll find that there's already some other stuff there around Zoom and Discord and other places. And check me out on Facebook, Never Odd or Even, and check out my blog page, which is oddrev.com. Check all those things out. Love you to comment, love you to subscribe, love you to leave a message. The more subscriptions and messages and bits and pieces I get, the wider the word spreads, and the more I can help people with their navigation. So look, I've been Will Nicholas, your Odd Rev, and I hope that's been a helpful little encounter for you today, and I look forward to catching up with you again. Until next time, stay safe and keep on gaming.